Hello and welcome to another episode of Practical IT Midweek News. This is episode 29 for June 14th, 2023. Let's get started. Will Flatpak and Snap replace desktop Linux native apps? Well, this article makes the case for it. It wouldn't be the end of the world if it did, and we might even see more support from commercial software vendors if this did take place. Unfortunately, we all know that Linux people can't agree on anything, and this likely won't happen. But one can hold out hope. Thunderbird 1.15 reaches beta, features updated UI and improved OpenPGP support. Among major features of this update, this is supposed to be a building block for future developments. Minarca, an open source and cross-platform backup solution you'll love. I've been testing Minarca on Linux, macOS, and Windows. Videos will follow soon. This seems to be a nice backup solution so far, but Apple Silicon support is not there yet. Best free and open source alternatives to SharePoint. This isn't a bad list of software, but from what I've seen, NextCloud is getting closer every day to being that all-encompassing replacement. Debian 12 Bookworm has been released, featuring the 6.1 long-term support kernel. I've done some testing, and so far I'm impressed with what I've been seeing. More details and my impressions will feature in an upcoming video. And hot on the heels of the Debian 12 release, we've got Proxmox VE 8.0 Beta 1, based on Debian 12 Bookworm, with a 6.2 kernel, QEMU 8.0.2, LexC 5.0.2, ZFS or ZFS 2.1.11, Ceph Quincy 17.2.6, improvements to dark mode, improvements to the markdown parser, additional language translations, QEMU guest support for NetBSD and OpenBSD have been added, among other new features. You'll want to keep an eye on this if you're a Proxmox user. I would expect a full 8.0 release before the end of the summer. NextCloud Hub 5 has been released. Features a self-hosted, AI-powered digital workspace powered by the Ethical AI Initiative, smart inbox and email, face and object recognition in NextCloud Photos, background image and background blurring in NextCloud Talk, image generation based on a prompt, NextCloud Dictation, call transcripts of recorded video calls, along with many other improvements to their core Files app and other components. Check it out and let us know what you think. Files 2.5 offers an open source replacement for the Windows File Explorer. This release introduces swipe gestures for touchscreens or touchpads, a preview pane split in two pieces, among other changes. If you're unhappy with the Windows File Explorer, this may be a worthy solution to check out. Firewalla Gold SE offers protection for faster internet speeds. Available now for pre-order, should ship at the end of 2023. Designed with two 2.5 gig ports for fast WAN and LAN capabilities and two 1 gig ports for network segmentation. The device includes 3 modes: main router mode, operate between networks, and augment a network mode. Seems like an interesting device, although a bit pricey at $419. And the article says that the Firewalla founders were previously Cisco network employees. And last but not least this week, I wanted to bring something sort of fun. The Abode Suite of design and photography tools. Yes, this is a Kickstarter. I at least wanted to give this a mention before they get sued into oblivion by the 500-pound gorilla in this market space. The Kickstarter is funded, and there's still time to get in if you're interested. And if I had any artistic inclination at all, I'd be all over this. According to the Kickstarter, they will be releasing products including OnDesign, a familiar and fully featured desktop publishing application, Illustrate It, a vector drawing and illustration package, PhotoPop for photo editing, and Impress, super fast mobile app full of templates. And it will be supporting Windows, Mac OS, and I believe mobile platforms. Unfortunately, Linux support is left out again, but who knows? That's one theme that's already come up in their suggestions. So if this gets off the ground, even if it has to be forced into a name change, there may well be Linux support at some future point in time. And on that note, thank you all for watching. If you got something from this or found something interesting, let me know down in the comments. And while you're down there, hit like and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.